Right, we're looking at this first one. I went ahead and just graphed it by hand so you can see what's going on. And what we want to do is we want to highlight this part of the line for the places that the outputs of this are bigger than the outputs of this. So if you notice, we're looking at when is this bigger than this, when is this bigger than this, when is this bigger than this. And do you see all at this point that's bigger? But then look here, do you see all of a sudden that this is now smaller than this one here? And it's smaller and smaller and smaller. So the section of f of x that is bigger than g of x. So in other words, let's look at just like this point here. This point where x is equal to 2, my f of x is equal to 4, and my g of x is equal to negative 2. So clearly f of x is larger. So the x values that are highlighted are all of the x's that are here and over. So the x's that are smaller than or equal to positive 2. So from here over, all of these values are bigger than these values here. Specifically, we're looking at the outputs. Now, different highlighter, highlighting the values such that these guys here, are bigger than these guys. So that means in that section there. So again, all of these spots here are larger than these spots here. So given one point, let's say where x is equal to 4, f of x is equal to 1, but g of x is equal to 4. So all of these would be true, which means all of these x values where x is greater than 2. Now not equal to 2, because at that point they were exactly the same, so it wasn't greater than. Here we did keep 2 in there because it was or equal to. So here we want to highlight the line here where this is smaller than or equal to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here, all of these guys here are all smaller than 5. All of the outputs are always less than 5, less than 5, less than 5 from here over. So that means that the first x that is smaller than or equal to 5 is at x equals negative 4. And I want all of the ones that are greater than or equal to. So I want all of these values produce an output that is smaller than 5 or equal to 5. So hopefully that makes sense.